students.
Good morning, teacher.
Thank you, please. What date is it today?
Today is the
Today is the 25th
of
May. What day is it today?
on Thursday.
On Thursday. Good students. On Thursday. Okay, now I will introduce the classroom rules. Listen carefully to the other groups and other students. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Be active for the lesson. Be active. Don't. Be active. This one. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. If you finish the activities exercise, you have to raise your hands. Be quiet. Don't talk each other. Don't talk in other students. Okay. Do you know this word? Tongue twister. Good students. Tongue twister. Now please read these two words. Tongue twister. Please repeat after me. Tongue twister. Tongue twister. Good. Tongue twister. Okay. I will read this tongue twister. You have to repeat after me. First I will say it. Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen.
Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen.
Good. Next, Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen.
Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen.
Now please, more quickly. Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen.
Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen.
Please say again.
Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen.
Good. The last one. Please say again, last one.
Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen.
All the students.
Kitty
Kitty
caught
caught the kitten in the kitchen.
Very good, students. Now you have to read this word, this tongue twister, just looking and skimming, just in your eyes. Just 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Please look at this tongue twister. Okay, I finished. Now which group wants to start with this tongue twister? Which group wants to do it? Which group? Autumn, summer, spring, winter, which group? Okay, Autumn, please stand up. Okay, now please read this tongue twister. All students.
Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen.
Good. Very good. Thank you. Now next, this spring group. Please more quickly from this group. More quickly from this group.
Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen.
Good. Very good. Next, the summer group.
Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen.
Good. Very good. Last group.
Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen.
Oh, very good students. Very good. Okay, very good students. Okay, today we are talking about weather and clothes. Weather and clothes. Do you know these words? Weather and clothes. Do you know these words? This word weather is 그래, 자가가 clothes. Clothes. Very good. Weather today we are talking about weather and clothes. Good. Okay. Do you know this word? Seasons. The cloth seasons. Please read seasons. Seasons. How many seasons? How many seasons are there in a year? How many seasons? There are 4 seasons. What seasons do you know? What seasons do you know? There are 4 seasons in a year. What seasons? Winter. Good. Winter. Spring. Good. Summer. Autumn. Seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year. 자, 읽지도 하면 되면 winter, spring, summer, autumn. 자, please read these words. Seasons. Winter, spring, autumn, summer. These are seasons. 자, 잘 써도 하면 되면 okay. This word is hot. Hot is in summer. This word snowy. In winter. Good. Next word foggy. This one autumn. Good. Autumn. This sunny. Where is it? Summer. Good. This word cold. Winter. Good. Winter. This one windy. Autumn. Good. Autumn. Rainy. Where is it? Spring. Good. Cloudy. Spring. Good. That these words are weather. Rainy, cloudy, sunny, hot, foggy, windy, cold, snowy. These are weather. 자, 찾아가러 가자. 자, okay, now please. 자, repeat after me these words. Seasons. Winter. Spring. Summer. Autumn. Cold. Snowy. Rainy. Cloudy. Sunny. Hot. Foggy. Windy. Very good. Okay. 자, what clothes do you wear in winter? What clothes? You want to use that? Good. What clothes do you wear? We clothes are wearing these clothes in winter. Spring. What clothes? These clothes. Summer. These clothes. Autumn. These clothes. We wear woolly sweater, woolly hat, scarf, mittens. We wear these clothes in winter. Umbrella, raincoat, rain boots. We wear these clothes in spring. T-shirt, swimsuit, shirt, sandals. We wear these clothes in summer. The boots and jackets. We wear these clothes in autumn. Okay. Now please read these clothes. Just you have to read.
Boots,
Boots,
jacket, boots, sweater,
good,
woolly hat,
very good.
scarf, mittens, umbrella, raincoat, rainbows, t-shirt, swimsuit, shorts, sandals, boots, jacket.
Good, very good students. Now we wear these clothes in a fall season. Okay. Can you see this picture? Can you see Harjan and Zoe? Can you see this picture? Okay. Okay, now we will introduce this picture using these new vocabularies and new words. За энэ зургуудыг ашиглаад энэ үгнүүд ашиглаад бид нэр энэ зургийг тайлбарлах нь байна, тийм үү? За we need four questions. First question is what season is it? What season is it? Do you know this word? What season? Now please answer this question. What season is it? What season is it? Good. It is summer. It is summer. Second question is what is the weather like in this picture? What is the weather like in this picture? What is the weather like? It is hot. Good. It is hot and
sunny.
good. Very good. It is hot and
Sunny.
It is hot and sunny. Next question is what clothes are they wearing? Now, please read this question.
What clothes are they wearing?
What clothes are they wearing? They are good. They are wearing. They are wearing what clothes? T-shirts. What clothes? Shorts. Good. And sandals. Good. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Now, last question is, what are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing? They are eating. Right? These are bread and some cakes. They are eating cakes and go picnic. 자, 소화살을 줄 때모. Going picnic. Okay. So now let's look at this picture. Our first question, what season is it? Repeat after me. What season is it?
It
It
is
is
summer.
summer. Next.
What is the weather like in this picture?
Good.
It is hot and sunny.
Mhm.
What clothes are they wearing?
Mhm.
They are wearing t-shirts, shorts, and sandals. What are they doing? They are eating cakes and
Going
picnic.
Uh-huh. Okay. Now we have described this picture in during these 4 questions. За насны дугаарны зургийг тайлбарлаж сурлаа тийм үү? За эднийх нь дуртай үйлрэл дараахан цаг агаар хувцас за юу хийж байгаа гэж тийм үү? Okay. Okay. Now work in groups. Work with together. хамтдаа ажиллана. За I will give them some activities. You have to complete 2 seasons. 2 seasons. No one, just 2 seasons. 자, хоёр өдрийг бүрхэн юм уу? First, complete this section. Please work with groups with together. 자, бүгд ажиллаарай. Just 2 seasons. Complete just 2 seasons. Work in groups. Now please using these words, these new vocabularies. Like that. Which group? Please stand up and listen. Other students listen carefully.
What is afternoon?
It is
How
afternoon.
is the winter?
Mhm.
In the winter party. It is winter a party.
Probably, good.
What do you wear?
Mhm.
I wear boots and jacket.
Good.
What can you do? I can play a and
Climb.
climb a tree.
Good. Thank you. 자, next group. 자, 다음은 next.
What season it is? Easy, easy, it is spring, how is the weather?
How is the weather?
It is hot and rainy.
Good.
What should you wear? I wear shirt and raincoat.
Good.
What can you do? I can ride a bike.
Very good. 자, next. Summer. Summer group.
What month is it? It is June, July, and August. What season is it? It is summer. How is the weather? It is hot and sunny. What do you wear? I wear dress and cap. What can do? I can swim, water, and ride horse.
Good. Very good. 자, next group.
January, February. It is winter. It is cold and snow. And wear woolly hat and
Woolly hat.
I can build a snowman and ready a sleigh. July, June, August.
August.
This summer, it is hot and sunny. I wear sandals and shorts. I can play game and it is hot.
Good. 우리는 좀 장난을 주세요. Okay. I will ask some questions from you. What clothes do you wear in spring? What clothes do you wear in spring? Now, we wear
Raincoat and raincoat.
a raincoat and rain boots. Good. Now, what clothes do you wear in winter? What clothes do you wear in winter in your group? What clothes?
We are wearing woolly hat,
Woolly hat and
mittens,
scarf and mittens. Good. What clothes do you wear in spring? What clothes do you wear? Now, what clothes? What clothes do you wear in spring? What is spring? What clothes do you wear?
I wear
I wear
shirt
shirt
and
and rain boots. Now, what clothes do you wear in autumn?
I wear boots and jacket.
You wear boots and jackets. Very good, students. Okay, I will give the pictures. You have to describe this picture. You have to describe the picture. Winter. Summer. Okay, now you have to complete these pictures during the fourth question. 자, 노란 선택가 나와요. 자, please write the sheets. First question is, what season is it? Second, what is the weather like? What clothes are they wearing? What are they doing? Now please work in groups.
What are they
Now work in groups. Okay, have you finished? Have you finished? No. Have you finished? Okay. Okay, summer group. Now please introduce your picture. Describe the picture. Please come up to her. Come up to this one. Listen. Please come up here. Now, you have to consider. Listen carefully. 자, 너는 자, 배를 듣죠. This picture.
It is summer. It is hot and sunny. They are playing wood and with sand. They are wearing shorts and shoes.
Good. 자, next. Spring.
What is salt is it? It is spring. What is the weather like? It is hot and sunny. Rainbow. What are they? They are not big, but they big, rainy and big
Big flowers.
What colors are they wearing? They are dressed and short shoes.
And shoes. Good. Thank you. This group, winter.
What season is it? It is winter. What is the weather like? It is cold and snowy. What are they doing? They are built a snowman. What clothes are they wearing? They are wearing wool hat and scarf.
Thank you. Good.
What season is it? It is autumn. What is the weather like? It is windy and foggy. What are they doing? They are running on the road. What clothes are they wearing? He is t-shirt, short, and sandals.
Good. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Finish. Okay. Now, what is the weather like in winter? What is the weather like in this picture? What is the weather like? What is the weather like in this picture? 자연스러운데 사용하는 한번 What is the? It is cold and snowy. Now, what is the weather like in this picture?
Hot and
Sunny. Hot and sunny. Okay. Okay. Now, please describe this picture of the students. Now, please describe this picture. You have to describe this picture. Now, please. 자, 또 기다려볼게요. Now, what is the weather like in this picture?
It is summer. It is hot and sunny.
It is hot and sunny.
They are eating cake and fruit.
They are eating cakes and fruits.
They are wearing t-shirt and
Autumn group. What are they doing? What are they doing? Autumn. What clothes? They are wearing. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. They are wearing shorts, t-shirts, dress, and sandals. Okay, good. Okay. Now, you have just 2 minutes. I will describe one picture. You have to draw a picture. Just more drawing. 하시는 분들 거는 비닐 도록 쓰고. 하나 drawing. Just next together 그러다 보내요. Drawing more quickly. 하시는 분들 drawing more. Okay, now let's start. I will take. It is winter. It is winter. It is snowing. It is snowing. There are 2 houses. There are 2 houses. Please drawing more quickly. There are 2 houses. It is snowing and there is a sun. There is a sun. Snowy. It is snowy and sunny. It is snowy and sunny. There are 2 children. There are 2 children. There are 2 children. A boy is wearing woolly hat and scarf and mittens. A boy. Boy is wearing woolly hat, scarf, and mittens. A boy is slide on a sled, riding a sled. Riding a sled. Boy is riding a sled. The girl is the t-shirt and jeans. Okay, 나는 finish. Time finish. Can you see this picture? Are your pictures same? Now please raise your pictures. Raise your pictures. Is your picture same? Is like this picture? Students, very good. Very good students. I don't tell the snowman. I don't tell the snowman. Snowman back very good students. Okay. Very good students. At home, you have to memorize these new vocabularies and find the picture for season and describe the pictures on your notebook. Let's finish. Thank you for participating in my lesson. Thank you, students. See you.